2 percentage second class ana panute or second class adinga hi a topic increase and decrease chiwa jakhina question in ana solve pe yutin question number 1. A number is first increased by 40% and then it is increased by 30%. What is the net percentage increase? Let's say first a conventional method in view. Conventional method adding also let the number equal to x. A number he x equivalent x ही 40% increase देना x akuna ही 40% in increase हुआ ले इज़ाद देता है जो akuna plus 40% equivalent 140% of x होंगे देता चला ना ये चला या 140% of x बना है 30% आ कल तो कित दे चला ना 30% increase ही कित देंगा ले equal to चीज़ आ देता है 30% increase ही ले 130% of 130% of चला है 140% of x आपको ना है 30% आकल चला ना so 130% of 140% of x देता है new number से अमा है new number 40% ले 30% आ increase ही नुंगा number था पास चाहिए होंगे देता है ना ले तो है situation हिंदी है situation हिंदी वाले there is 30% जो 30% hello 130% ने 130% to 130 by 100 into 140% hello 140 by 100 of x होंगे देता है ना so 0 ले 0 ले cancel थे जो 0 ले 0 ले चीज़ देता है 13 into 14 13 into 4 42 4 in here नहीं ले 13 1 is 13 into 4 52 13 into 4 52 here 13 1 is 13 plus 5 18 182 by 100 of x चला ना here चला यही जाना खांग देता है 182 by 100 divided by 100 here चल percentage is इतने थे चला ना so 182 by 100 so 182% of x tina चला ना 182% of x here चला है चला यही चला है x आपको ना है चला है x आपको ना है 40% of x increase हम की बोल रहे 140% of x इतियो चला ना चिचो हिले चला है new number पा है 182% of x ahung हिले इजा ना increase tina है 82% 82% increase tina so option A चाहिए ना और चिखो हिले वाले second method ना चुइती बोल दो है second method ना दिंगा है और चिवा हिंजिनेंगे second method ना दिंगा है a number is first increased by 40% चला number पा है 100 in la जियो ले चलना percentage इतिला out of 100 tina चला ना so percentage out of 100 ना हिले च number percentage base question हूँ इतने फना ले number a value की है लोपा तो 100% और 100 in consider जेंगो ले चल ये number ही 100 इतिवा ले first a चीज़ ना increase 40% increase ना ये 40% increase है हिले 100 आपको ना 40% increase है हिले 140 हिजिंग की तासुला ना ये 140 हिजिंग next है बिहाई next है and then it is increased by 30% so plus 30% iti kidu vale new number pa chu 130% of 140 hidita cha ahile so new number will be equal to, is that the time 130% of 140, so 130 by 100, 130%, so 130 by 100 into 140. So 0 le 0 cancel theo, 0 le 0 cancel theo ke over le is that 13 into 14 182 chila na. Ele to chu pi hai original number hi 100 nai la chila na. Original number hi chila ya hi 100 nai la wa to hi atha ai hi 182 mu ta chila na. Chu chu le 100 upon sa 182 hi zat hai plus 82 ki habbe ti na chila na. So 100 na chu 82 na habbe hi le 82% ki habbe ti na hi cha. Therefore percentage increase is equal to 82%. So chi first method chila hi second method banting le khat vat bia te na third method. Okay, third method equation number 2 join bolta out and equation number 2. To na bana question number 2 bia na. A number is decreased by 30%, then increased by 30%, then further increased by 30%. What is the net increase or decrease percent in the number correct to the nearest integer? Ela chila third option pa hi wat masangu win chila khat veta diute na. Example a number is increased by 20%. Diute na. A number is increased by 20% tiale chu hui ti ji thei deu hai. Ama he 20% increase number khat phat chu chila in any number diute na. Plus 20% increase ahung hi dinga le pi hai 20% increase ahung hi le 120% hung hi di tina chula na. So chu 120% chu ti jit deu ha 120% chu 120 by 100 na. Ele 120 by 100 chi ta cha ele chi ya le chila ya hi ti la de hum ti le denominator pa hi original number. Denominator hi original number hi kom ding ba le numerator pen hi new number na. New number to chila 20% increase ahung hi jawa number pa cho 20 numerator pa ho hi kom ji de cha ele it's base a hen question number 2 hi solve hota ele question number 2 hi pate a number is decreased by 30% na ele 30% a decrease hi le izat hi ditai izat percent hi de he percentage a chu number ahung ki ti phat phale pte wa 100% a consider detail sila na ele 100% a ko na chu 30% a hi decrease ahung hi le izat ditai 70% 70% abanting le then increased by 30% ele increased by 30% ele plus 30% here le izat ditai 130 first 100 na ko na hi decrease minus 30% ele next plus 70% a ko na hi 30% na increase over le plus 130% of 70% hong edita sa na ele chala ya hi again increased by 30% ati sala na plus 30% iti vale 130% of 70% yung edita sala na chala ya 130% of 70% ako na hi 30% increase in boluwa lecho chila 130% of 70 hong dita na ele ama hi new number su ta cha new number na lo de tin ko ita do ele chila ya last pena chipa hi digit deu hai 130 by 100 into 130 by 100 into 70% to 70 by 100 na ele chila hi 0 1 2 3 numerator akuna le denominator 1 2 3 na ele to chi hui za detai 13 into 13 into 7 to 169 13 into 13 169 into 7 is that the 7963 7642 plus 6 1183 na chi hui hi le denominator hi za 1000 na ele to hi chi pa hi original number to denominator 1000 original number heading a number thapa new number to 1183 edit asa aile to he therefore percentage ele to chila hin question ahe find the percentage increase or decrease ati chila na so percentage chi increase hi ha decrease hi hai aile chi het na ding wa chu pi ha original number akuna new number hi viole chan a number thapa hi lin zo chula na chi chu ele percentage increase ngi de ta cha ele percentage increase to is an hi de hai ele original number of 1000 here number thapa hi 1183 ya le plus 183 tina chala na 183 atam zo tina cha ele 183 pa chu percentage ai hold deu na out of 1000 ele so number to 183 atam zo here original number divided by 1000 into 100 divided 0 ni chila 0 ni hele is that equal to 18.3% na ele question achu pi ha correct to one decimal place ati chal na correct to one decimal place hi le is that hi hai chila hi point bana decimal point bana 3 hi 5 sangan yau zo chila na 5 sangan yau zo ile ama hu ki khel to law 18% increase in tina cha 18% increase then question number 3 view to na a number is increased by 30% then decreased by 30% then further decreased by 30%. What is the net increase or decrease percent in the number? Correct to the nearest integer. Ile chilaya hi pi hai direct in la tau to a number hi 100% number hi 100% iti wale ele increased by 30% ati chila na chila increased by 30% hi le ama hi 130% that is 130 by 100 hi ta chala na abana then decreased by 30% ele decreased by 30% hi le is that the 100% akuna 30 and decrease na bol kina le 70 by 100 na 70% to 70 by 100 hong heading then further decreased by 30% ele 30% and decrease kina le 70 hong hikit chala na 70 by 100 let's see that the time 1 2 3 cancel over le 1 2 3 ele 7 into 13 13 into 7 91 ele 91 into 7 693 na divided by 1000 ele to hi original number hi 1000 ta sila na ele number tha pa hi zat hai 693 na ele to hi atha pa hi number tha pa hi original number sangal form jo ta sila na so izan al home minus izan itiva le 693 mu deu ha so 1000 minus 693 to izan hai 703 na minus 307 itiva le new number pa chu ki mu sila na therefore percentage decrease. Percentage decrease will be equal to 307 divided by 1000 into 100. 0 0 ni ahile izat hai ama 30.7% decrease chila na ele third chila here di lo khan na calculation di lo khan ele 13 into 7 91 into 7 697 zone 697 ahile 637 zone 91 into 7 637 जो चलाया है 637 by 1000 मैंने चलाया है 637 ना so 363 हमारे 363 यार होंगे तो minus 363 ही दे अहिले decreased by 363 अहिले percentage decreased to 363 by 1000 into 100 अहिले माही जा देता 36.3% decrease ना अहिले correct to one decimal अतियाले 36% decrease हो question number 4 a number is increased by 30%, then decreased by 25%, and then further increased by 25%. What is the net increase or decrease percent in the number? A number है 100% इति वाले increased by 30% इति चला ना so increased by 30% है 130% होंगे देता चला ना ele mahi 130 by 100 into then decreased by 25% ahile chilaya jang hi 100% ako na hai 25% ana decrease huwa le jat hai 75% na 75% which is 75 by 100 na and then further increased by 25% ele to 25% na ele mahi चलाया जाएंगे 100% आकोना है 25% increasable देव चला ना so 100 आकोना 25% increasable वाले 125% दिखी ना चला ना ले 125% to 125 by 100 ना ले चलवा है 0 खले cancel थे यो banting ले 25 into 5 25 into 4 25 into 3 25 into 4 na ile is that the time so I hit 13 into 3 39 na abana 39 into 5 is that the high 5 9 are 45 5 3 are 15 19 195 and let's lie 4 into 4 16 16 into 10 116 so all number all hilo wale original number na original number है 160 heading अहिले new number है 195 देता चले ना अहिले is that na increase 160 ako na 195 so increase na plus 35 चलो ना 160 plus 35 इतने वाले new number हो के बोलो अहिले therefore percentage increase is that the equal to 35 akal chila na 35 by original number chisan hai 160 into 100 0 hatto 0 cancel thayo andang 2 either 16 2 5 or 10 L is at the time 35 into 5 175 by 8 na is that how I let you go 8 2 or 16 17 1 in hand 8 1 is 8 plus 7 15 L 7 0 hele 8 8 are 64 na L 8 8 are 64 L correct to one decimal correct to the nearest integer ati sala na so correct to the nearest integer ati le decimal place khat chan bo se we chan na one place chan so ama 21% increase chila na L 21% increase ahi pe decimal point bana hi 8 na 5 sang alien zo chila na so 5 sang alien zo hi le chila 21 hi khana increase being khana plus be wal 22% increase the question number 5 question number 5 the number first increased by 16% then increased by 14% the number so obtained is now decreased by 30%. What is the net increase or decrease percent in the original number nearest to an integer? Aile mahiti bol dewa. Aile first increased by 16% ati chila na. So 100% आपको ना है 16% in increase होगा चले जाते हैं 116%. Aile amachu 116 divided by 100 ati थे चला ना. Banting le and then increased by 14%. Electo ahi 14% are increase kitna. So 100 ako na 14% are increase bol kit wale 114 divided by 100 na. Aile abanting le the number so obtained is now decreased by 30%. Electo ahi 30% ihi susa decrease de ahi so 100% ako na ahi 30% 100% ako na ahi 30% in decrease will let is that 70% that is 70 by 100 0 le chila 0 cancel thayo abana 116 to 100 ni 4 I cancel thayo chila na 4 into 25 4 2 are 8 4 9 are 36 let's say ni 2 I cancel thayo na 2 into 50 2 5 are 10 2 7 are 14 let's see who is that data denominator ako 25 into 50 25 into 5 125 0 abana 0 khat wat na line 12,500 so the numerator ako 7 7 49 7 5 are 35 plus 4 39 into 29 is that the time 81 81 plus 8 89 93 27 plus 8 30 35 na 18 18 19 7 1 9 plus 8 17 19 15 7 3 10 11 na 1 1 5 7 1 hilwa aile to achi original number na denominator hi aile numerator ko new number so amani huiza na ki a aile amani he original pa he new number sanga new do chala na iza na ki new number minus iza liti wala original number mu de ha 10 minus 1 9 9 minus 7 2 14 minus 5 9 na 929 aile therefore ele decrease chila na, so percentage decrease is that the percentage decrease will be equal to 929 akhesu chila na, divided by 12500 into 100. Is that the 929 divided by 125 chizan ha, 929 divided by 125. 7 times na, 7 5 35, 7 12 14, 17, 7 1 is 7, 8, 4, 4. 11.0 iti wale is that 125 into 3, 375, 5, 6. Nearest to an integer chila decimal point bana digit khachan bula le 7.3% decrease na. Nearest integer chizat de 3 he round off wale amahi 5 sangan yasila na, so answer will be 7% decrease. 7% decrease, option number B. Next, question number 6. The population of a town has increased by 5% at the end of the first year and decreased by 4% at the end of the second year. If the population at the end of the second year was 55 lakhs 12,248, then the population at the beginning of the first year was, let's see, conventional pan bolta देते ना, original population ही x tiu let's say x ako na hi PTA 5% increase chila na, 5% na increase ahile is that DT 5% increase ahile 105% of x sung hidita sila na. Ele banki na hi, and at the end of the second year, at the end of and decreased by 4% at the end of the second year na. So hi 4% na decrease di ele chila ko na 4% na decrease to minus 4% iti wale is that the 100 ako na minus 4 iti wale 96% of ele chila ya ele chila 4% decrease pa hi behind 4% decrease pa hi after the first year chiza wako na hi 4% na decrease chila na, so mahi 96% of 105% of x do ele to chicho yale if at the end of the second year the population if the population at the end of the second year was 55 lakh 12,240, that is ele second year jo population hi 55 lakhs 12,248 na chia yale pisai na hai. In terms of percentage isai wale chun chila ya hai after first year of population hit chi hong heading 105% of x, ele second year jo hi 96% of 105% of x na percentage ai sai wale ai wanga question ai a number api sila na, a number ai sai wale 55 lakhs 12,248 ide chichun pia sai na hai amani hi ki bangliti na cha, so chitiane ko na chu equation ila wale 96% to 96 by 100 na into 105% to 105 by 100 of x2 into x will be equal to 5512248 ahile 105 5 2 are 10 5 1 is 5 5 into 20 thì theo sẽ là nè amount kitting le chỉ cancel tạo đó 7 3 or 21 7 7 or 49 6 in hand is 61 7 in or 56 a hele 5 in hand so 52 a hele 7 7 or 49 3 in hand is 32 return 32 a hele 7 4 or 28 hele 4 in hand so 44 hong return 44 a hele 7 6 or 42 hele 2 in hand hele 8 28 hong hele 7 4 or 28 3 in cancel kita tu 3 2 or 6 1 in hand hele 3 6 or 18 3 2 or 6 3 4 or 12 3 or 24 3 or 24 abanting le chilaya 96 itu 20 he cancel itu 4 in 4 2 or 8 9 4 4 or 16 4 5 or 20 hele ano ya kat medyo lahat dito na 24 by 100 into 1 by 5 into x will be equal to 262488 hey, let's say 4 6 or 24 4 6 or 24 2 in hand 4 5 or 20 2 in hand 4 6 or 24 4 2 or 8 4 2 or 8 6 1 is 6 6 10 or 60 5 in hand 6 9 or 54 2 in hand 6 3 or 18 6 7 or 42 so I'm happy this time 1 by 100 into 1 by 5 into x 100 to 5 e transfer over x को इजाद देता है 5 7 or 35 ये multiply वाला ना 5 3 or 15 plus 3 18 5 9 or 45 plus 1 46 5 1 is 5 ay चला 0 नहीं बात डला चला ना so into 0 0 is that है 546850 option C see तो आहे अंजा से थर्ड मेथड पर तो सन कर मिक्स तो देखते हैं electricity बोल दो है so आहे क्वेश्चन आहे the population of a town has increased by 5% at इचला ना so 200 ako na है 5% increase ही बोल दो थी ना 100 ako na 5% increase ही बोल वाले 105 चला ना so that is 105 by 100 no 105% to 105 by 100 one thing le into at the end of this first year and decreased by 4% at the end of the second year सिवा दong है 100% ako na है 4% a decrease की वाले इजान है 96% चला ना that is 96 by 100 into electron original population to x in the zingle x will be equal to 551224 changing na chiwa ko na calculation to chilanga to hem ki bakki da question number 7 the number is first increased by 16 by 3% and then decreased by 15% to get 238 what is 37.5% of that number chi bol basago wa hi 16 by 3% hi khat beta dikta 16 by 3% is that the 16 by 3% को इजान है 48 49 50 ने 50 by 3% ही ना चा ए ले 50 by 3 एले कोई चलाया है first increase by 16 by 3% है चला ना so 100% आपको ना है 16 by 3 that is 50 by 3% equals sa ding na ele chite ni hi i plus wale izat ditai equals sa de ya le chun plus ditina chula na izat de hai LCM ila wale 3 hiding na chila ya bolta diga LCM ila wale so 100% plus 50 by 3% izat de hai LCM ila wale LCM 3 heading 3 into 100 300 plus 50 350 by 3% oh eva 350 by 3% fraction is de wale pe hai 350 by 3 ele percentage titing ule out of 100 ite chala na so denominator into 100 digit ite cha fraction ade hele 350 by 300 se ho hele na hele 350 by 300 na into abana hi pte decreased by 15% ati chala na so decreased by 15% hele 85% ita chala na so 85 by 100 of x into x equal ija deta ama hi 238 to hong ki bang de ele chi hi pe hai chewa question ahe first 16 by 3% decrease in tin chizau ting le chewa ko na he ama ko na he 15% ahung decrease ke chila na ele 15% ahung decrease ale 230 de mo chila na so chewa equation ahe 350 by 300 16 by 3% increase ahe achu 350 by 300 heading abana decrease by 15% atia ahe 85 by 100 heading of original number to x na original number he x aila wale of x will be equal to 238 che ko hede aile mahi 0 0 5 7 or 35 5 6 or 30 na aile chewa jang he 5 1 is 5 5 7 or 35 5 into 20 let's see here 7 1 is 7 7 3 or 21 7 4 or 28 17 1 is 17 17 into 2 34 ele is at the time x will be equal to 6 into 20 into 2 the possible na so 6 into 20 here 6 into so chilaya 6 into 20 here is that 120 na ele 120 into 2 here 120 into 2 here 240 ele x is 240 hita so eva question ado he pe hai question ado he x ye do he lo chila na question in ado he 37.5% of that number ati cha ele therefore 37.5% of 240 whole do ati na cha is that the time 37.5 by 100 into 240 so heading aile chewa in decimal point la do jing utene decimal point hila do wale chewa 0 khat habe ding na denominator so 0 0 aile chi te ni 25 I cancel thayum na 25 into 4 25 1 is 25 iti wale 12 in hand so 125 ho hilita na 5 so aile 125 to 25 into 5 125 4 6 or 24 aile 15 into 6 is that 6 5 39 The price of an article increases by 20% every year if the difference between the prices at the end of the third and fourth years is 259.20. Then 40% of the price in rupees at the end of the second year na ele honi hold do hi second a second year adinga 40% hold do 40% of the price at the end of the second year pen hi hold do ewa hi chi hold do na ding uwa hi hi price a first year original price na x a first year pa hi hold do masalo ngai cho ele a first year pa hi hold do na ding uwa hi hi haya kuna la do hi chila ya second line na if the difference between the prices at the end of the third and fourth year is 259.20 ti sila na chiwa ko na cha equation sim de ti na cha aile itila de hai chiwa ko na equation cho third year a de heavy out na third year a hi original a chu x itiu sila na original a hi x itiu wale third year a chu a percentage a hin same as out na a percentage a hi zat de hai the price of an article increases by 20% every year ati sila na akum sima hi 20% akal de aile original a hi 100% iti wale original a hi 100% a considerable wale after 1 year a chu na after 1 year a hi 20% a hum kal de sila na so 20% a hum kala le izan an pha de tai 120% after 1 year I 120% into divided by 100 na 120% so 120 by 100 ele chi first year ata cha ele a second year a jong hi chiwa hi kumkhat kumni kumthum kumli de na ele chiwa hi jong hi original a kuna hi chiwa a first year a jong hi plus 20% a kalding second year a jong hi 20% a kalding third year azang 20% akal ding fourth year azang hi 20% akal di tina cha ele to a second year azang chupi hai 20% akal kina le 120 dita sala na divided by 100 ele a third year azang hi chi first second third fourth year tina ele third year azang hi 20% akal kit le into 120 by 100 of original GPT wa x itiu sila na chi ko hong hede aile fourth year a hi zan hede hai fourth year a jang che third year te bang ma ye kum khat bo ila be wa le fourth year a pa ki me de tina to 120 by 100 into ele chi kum thum chan ta sila na ele fourth year kum li di hi le khat wei to ila be wa le of x ele to question a asai pi hai chila third year to fourth year difference is 259.20 ti chila na so chete ni hi minus di bolu wale 259.20 mu de wa aile then we chi masang chi ban cancel do te na 0 cancel theo 2625 ele chi jong he 6 by 5 6 by 5 let's say was 6 by 5 6 by 5 6 by 5 6 by 5 na and then we have fourth year minus third year so 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 of x minus 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 of x will be equal to is that here money difference 259.20 and chiwa hin violation 6 by 5 6 by 5 6 by 5 tumum chila jong tumum ele 6 by 5 to chila x to x common ai la thiu chila na so 6 by 5 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 ele a first aku na hichila ya 6 by 5 to mila do vale pi mo ditai 6 by 5 khat mo na lai de na minus ele chila ya hi 6 by 5 hi mun thumam ya ele athumai la do ta chila na chila ya common na athumai la do vale 1 mo din ele to chila ya of x chikeni of x on common ai la theu chila of x equal to 259.20 ele 6 1 is 6 6 4 are 24 1 in hand 6 3 are 18 1 in hand 6 2 are 12 6 6 7 are 42 1 in hand 6 2 are 12 6 1 is 6 6 1 is 6 1 in hand 6 2 are 12 अहिले चाहिँ खुइजा देता 1 by bracket pulang है 5 into 5 into 5 to 125 ना अहिले bracket sunga 10 है solve वाले 5 5 1 is 5 6 minus 5 1 by 5 into x equal to 1.2 अहिले चाहिँ खुइजा देता so x will be equal to is that 1.2 to 5 you multiply myself then 5 1.2 into 5 is that 5 to 10 point equal 5 1 is 5 6 na 6 into 125 is that the time 6 5 or 30 6 2 12 15 6 1 is 6 7 750 na ai nga chi hi I hol do deu pa hinai lo cha I hol do deu hi pe hai I hol do deu hi 40% of the price at the end of the second year je wa pa I hol do deu na 40% of second year na ile to second year a veta deu to therefore 40% of price after second year is that in the second year acho ile 40% I hold out equal to 40% of the na ile second year acho is that in the chua hi third year to fourth year a hi 120 by 100 120 by 100 120 by 100 khana hi thumwei la wa khana li wei la chela na so second year a ding acho ni wei la ole jing de ile 120 by 100 into 120 by 100 of x iti wala chi second year hi ta cha chilai ka he second year a vi pa hong ile ile chi hi 40 by chi ja hi ta 40 by 40 by 100 into 120 by 100 to 120 by 100 is 6 by 5 6 by 5 na 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into x to is that move 750 ile 20 into 5 ile 5 1 is 5 na 5 5 for 25 5 into 150 750 5 into 30 150 5 6 or 30 is that 6 into 6 into 6 into 2 na let's 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 is that 6 gives to 216 yeah into 2 hele 432 na 432 option B de chi he hi lo wa le second method yo kha chom de win yo te na or ile question a he 20% increase ati chila na 20% increase atia 4th year chana pi cha 4th year chana pi le 20% increase to be masauta 20% increase ale 120% ditina chila na ele 120% to fraction ai la awale jan hai 120 by 100 to 6 by 5 hong ditina cha Aile aile kumli chan 20% increase ding ahong hile tin jit nol chan 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 6 by 5 of x na achi after 4 years ahong hile ta sa chia hile ile to question a ki pi chu pi hai third year to fourth year difference amani difference ki pi chala na chichu hile fourth year chu chilaya 6 by 5 abona hinala le fourth year chan hidi ta chala na aile third year chu hoila hidi hai chilai ka he third year hidi a chilaya a first 3 ka hinala awale chilai hi third year chan hidi aile abona hinala awale fourth year chan hidi ne so amani difference chu pi hidi hai aile amani difference 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 minus 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 na amani difference chi here of x na tila amani difference je ngai ya ela amani difference so exam hai 259.20 na ela 259.20 na tiwala ela chilai ki ka cho in solve wala pe hai chilai ki ka cho in solve wala x equal to 750 na mo chala na chilai step ho si chong ki bang ni ta ya ala ya hoi ele to second year a chuna hold num ki wala pi hidi ta second year a dinga hi second year a hi chilaya ni na chilai ki ka second year a dinga hi chilaya 6 by 5 to 6 by 5 10 ki ka hinala la second year hi jek ti na so 40% of second year so 40% of second year zan hindi hai so 10 ini 40% to 40 by 100 heading into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 chala na ele of x ayala x to 750 so chi so fuwa chi zan ina move 432 na chi ya Basir's working hours per day were increased by 15% and his wages per hour were increased by 20%. By how much percent did his daily earnings increase? Ile si neu khana hum ki dewe bulla hota ni wat ka dewe ile working hours per day working hours heading abanting le wages na wages per hour per day ile chilaya hi o new tiute na ile aluya hi Basir's working aluya hi ni 100% law le chun 100 aila wale atha hi pi hai working hours per day hi increased by 15% na 100 akuna 15% increase ale 115 dita sala na abanting le and his wages per hour were increased by 20% aile achalaya ani khotha hi 100 akuna 20% increase ahile 120 hong hi dita sala na chi he hi le aile chi pi hai chi a first pa hi chi pa hi pungkal khana asum lo do ni khana dinga a pungkal na to do za no pungkali za na to han chi chu ya a second hi le pungkal khana ana to za chila na am dan chu ni khana 10 hours a to ding ni khana 10 hours a to ding 1 hour a rupees 200 alo hi le 1 hour a rupees 200 amule total 1 dia chi za na mu ditai 1 dia chu 10 hours a to chila na 10 hours a to hi ya ile 1 hour a 200 na hi le 10 into 200 chila na 2000 so chita banga chi bol de chita banga hi bol de ule earnings na earnings per day ni khana alo do za chi za ditai a first a hu aluya hi 100 into 100 dita chila na ile atha a hi 115 into 120 hong hi de a chi ratio method in view te na ile to che alui to atha a ratio han hi pi hai 100 into 100 is to 115 is to 120 na chila 100 to chiwa 120 hi cancel over la jan hai 20 into 5 20 into 6 banting le 5 1 is 5 5 2 are 10 1 hand 5 3 are 15 ile is that the time 100 is to 23 into 6 6 3 are 18 6 2 are 12 13 138 na chu hi le pi ti na hai am dan chu aluya hi rupees 100 an alo hi le aluya hi rupees 100 an alo hi le atha hi 130 amudi ti na ta cha 130 amudi le iza na kala ya tha hi 30 na kham chula na 30 na khang hi le percentage increase to iza he de chila hi view le chen therefore percentage increase will be equal to alui hi 100 he chula na alui hi 100 na hi le out of 100 ti na hen tin percentage ti ting le into 100 ong hi chute ni hong ki cancel thai tho chula na so chu hi ting le chila ya a difference by hi percentage value hi jeng di cha 30% na jeng thi a hi lo wala chila nga jang hin view jang le cha chila ya mani difference 13 here 38 by aluya na lo do 100 here 38 by 100 and the percentage na whole de 200 bot la ma chila na 100 it cancel on the 30% is equal class tu ne ding hit chanin ma phone na